local weather with the KX News Storm Team.
Well, it does look like there's still a chance of rain tonight, and the reason I put slight chance is because it is raining, but it's not raining all that many places. So for it to rain at your house, I'm giving it a slight chance. Rain and thunderstorms are possible tomorrow. I have an asterisk there because there's actually, this late in October, have a chance for severe weather. Not a good chance, and it's likely, if it's going to happen, be from like Bismarck and then to the east, not so much in the north or north central or northwest. Rain likely on Saturday, and we're talking about a soaking rain quite probably. And at this point, it still looks like a midweek Colorado low. Bismarck right now, 74 degrees, north wind, only 8 miles an hour. Minot is 76 degrees. Notice the weird color in the sky. More smoke up around Minot. North wind at 16. In Garrison, 75 degrees. Northeast wind at 9. And in Dickinson, the temperature 73. North wind at 14. So here are some other temperatures, and it's certainly warmer to the east in the Red River Valley, but looking at some local temperatures here, Medina at 76. Napoleon, 72 beautiful degrees. Same thing in Kenmare, right at 70. Real nice degrees. So the wind speed roughly 5 to 15 miles an hour, just, you know, as an average. And looking at the radar, and so there is rain out there, but the atmosphere is very dry. I don't know if you notice the dew points like in the 30s and 40s. So even when it tries to rain, a lot of it's got to fall through very dry air mass and may not reach the ground. Some of it is, but not a lot of it. And then looking at our precision cast, there it is. That's where we have the better chance, according to at least the high-resolution computer model there, around the Bismarck area in the next couple of hours, and it kind of meanders to the north. And then once we get into tomorrow morning, a lot of folks in the south central might even wake up to a fairly clear sky, a little cloudier other areas, and then more clouds roll in tomorrow afternoon. So if you're going to be going to a high school football game maybe tomorrow evening, except for just a couple of spots. Looks like the weather's going to cooperate. It'll be just a tiny bit breezy and cool. You might want a sweatshirt or a light jacket, but I don't see need for any big rain umbrellas or rain gear or anything like that. But during the nighttime hours, look at this, how it's starting to fill in a little bit here, and this would be showers and possibly some thunderstorms, and then it pushes through and this first wave gets up into the up around Highway 2, probably early Saturday morning. And again, this could be kind of a soaking rain, but we're not done, because look at this. Saturday afternoon, more rain might be moving in towards the Bismarck area, between Dickinson, Bismarck, to the south central. Now, that's only one area. So let's jump ahead to Wednesday. Wednesday night, 11 o'clock, a big Colorado low showing up on the European model. It's also on the American model, but the American model has it farther east, meaning it takes the rain farther east too. So this is the most promising, if you're hoping for rain, of the two longer range models between this and the American one. But with those lines really close to each other, it's going to be kind of a windy, sloppy day if this one pans out. Even Thursday morning, 11 o'clock, we're still looking at some wind there, and that could last until Thursday night. Again, the other longer-range computer model has a lot of that rain farther east. Still in North Dakota, but not nearly as much as like the European model that I just showed you. So we still have a few days to try to figure that out. Next 72 hours for Dickinson. Look at these temperatures, 50s and 60s. 70 down to 50s and 60s in Williston, and looking at temperatures tonight will be in the 40s. So a nice night tomorrow, back into the 60s and 70s. Here's a look at the Bismarck 7-day outlook and some pretty good odds. Look at that chance of rain on Saturday, and then cooler temperatures next week. Pretty good odds in the north as well. So Brooke and Nicholas, we have not one but two pretty good chances of some soaking rain.
We'll take them for sure.
Yes, starting to feel like fall. Thanks, Tom. Next in our 5